Hello, so here's WIDGETSDUDE app, which you can discover, and WIDGETSDUDE provides plenty of widgets, charger animations, and wallpapers for users to personalize their home screen like never before. Making widgets has never been this easier and enjoyable. With WIDGETSDUDE, you can only take a few seconds to choose from a large number of widgets. It's more than widgets. So yeah, this is just like a free to use app. However, I need to say that there are a lot of ads, but yeah, it's still interesting app to install widgets on your phone and make your phone much more customizable. Recently there was like an iOS 16 update, and I'm just not sure if there are locked widgets here so far, and I explored and seems there aren't locked widgets here. Here's a wide choice of widgets that we have: calendar, analog clock, quotes for today, calendar with events, reminders. Let's just quickly go through to show you how it looks like. So here's WIDGETSDUDE home screen. Then there is also, you can enable some VPN here, so that's additional feature. And then you have all these widgets. There are small, there are middle, and there are large widgets. You can see all the types of widgets: clocks, calendar, special days, system panel, notes. So for example, let's start from this. Let's start from adding some clock widget. As you can see, there are a lot of ads, and then here you can just change this background, and then you can just save it. And the process is similar to all of other types of widgets. You can not only add widgets here, you can also add wallpapers in this app. So there you have it, and then you can just scroll to the other part of your home screen, tap and hold, apps will start to jiggle, and then you can just search for WIDGETSDUDE, and then something like this. And then I just want to edit widget, and then I just have clock widget like this, and then there you have it. Now this widget is installed. For some reason it's called here widgets tool, while the app is called WIDGETSDUDE, so that creates a bit of a confusion, but that's what it is. And then we just continue to app. So that's basically how it works. Then you have also charging part, which is, you can create like a charging wallpaper here. That's how it will look like. You just decide. Charging wallpaper is just a wallpaper that will be on your lock screen, but it will just show like charging animations. And then you have also wallpapers. So if you like this wallpaper, you can just tap download to gallery, then go through a settings app and install this as a new wallpaper on your phone. So that's basically that. As you can see, there are different sizes of widgets: small, middle, large. And then you can just select this hope, and then there are my widgets. You can have small, middle, large. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.